Hello, this is Micah D858, and today I present to you this Casablanca Broadway Limited Edition ceiling fan. And I am currently testing it. It's got a lot longer of a download than I expected, or it hangs down a lot lower than I expected. It's got 5 lights, but for some reason it's not functioning correctly, because I just assumed it was wired, but I doubt it is, and I don't really see a pull chain for it. So, this does have variable speed. And yeah, it didn't come with shades. This is one of 2. There's another one that I have, but it's not in as great of condition because it only has this part of the light, not this or this. And it wobbles quite a lot because I didn't get the pitch exact for the blades, because you have to like stick them in and then tighten them right here. So I didn't get the pitch exact. But also, the reverse switch is right there. And here we go. I got this on Craigslist for free today. I just installed this today. There's the Delta 2. And yeah, it's a pretty good fan. Here it is. Here's medium-ish. This is when the wobble starts to kick in. It needs to be dusted. There's a box for an SMC Laguna and the Delta 2, which I had there before. I haven't really put that back in the house yet, but anyway. And high is very powerful. Oops. And shaky. Also, this is 48-inch. I'm gonna hold this before the thing flies out of the ceiling. Buzzes too. Now I'm going to show it in reverse, just because it's a really cool fan, and I don't really usually do reverse. Yep, this is going to be slow, so I'm going to go ahead for a more exciting speed. Alright, medium. Also, there's a little area that says Broadway Limited. And high. If you turn it on high in reverse and put your hand above the blades, it moves a lot of air. That darn light socket's falling out. So the person that was selling it just left it out on the curb for my mom to pick up today. So it wasn't exactly having all the parts, so I had to use a regular mounting bracket instead of the hang true. And it didn't come with shades or anything. Or all that stuff. And yeah, this light socket's falling out. Yep. Okay, spin down. Also, these light bulbs did not come with it. Oh, there's a bee that's about to start dying over there. Well, that's dumb. Okay, it stopped. Anyway, I'm gonna put it back in normal setting. And then, yeah, so anyway, that's all. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.